Dr. Singh, I really like the name Compleo. What does that mean?
Compleo was taken from the Latin word meaning implant, and obviously it seemed appropriate for an implant-only website, implant information-only website. Plus, we like the fact that it sounded like complete, and it's the complete implant solution. So we are trying to make this a complete implant site, and therefore it seemed like an appropriate name.
Dr. Singh, why did you set up the Compleo.ca website?
We set up the Compleo website because we tried to collect all of the necessary information to answer the questions that most patients usually have. And we're trying to present it in a concise way so that it is easily understandable in one specific area. So the information there will cover all the questions that from why you should have an implant to what options are available, why you would choose certain options, why certain options are better in certain situations, including the types of implants used, the design of the restorations, considerations with regards to the bite, considerations with regards to the final restoration, etc. So there are many options, many choices available to the patient. We always want them to choose what's right for them in their particular situation, and the Compleo website will provide generalized information. Of course, our complimentary consultation will discuss which of those choices are best for you in your particular situation.
It seems that the more information the patient has about dental implants, the better choices they're able to make. Is that the case?
Certainly. We thoroughly believe in education and informing our patients thoroughly. Not only do they have to know what options are available to them, but they should be well informed as to the benefits, and any treatment also has consequences. So you should fully understand the benefits and the consequences before you embark on any treatment possible. So educating and informing the patient is the best way of managing their expectations and for them to be completely in step with what will happen and what they should expect or should not expect. In a lot of cases, it's also allaying a lot of fears that they might have, and basically educating them, letting them hear testimonials from other patients, for example, and having some of their questions answered, so they're less apprehensive about the treatment, and so they actually choose a solution that's in their best interest and not one that they think they're least afraid of. The ultimate goal of the Compleo website is to collect all of the information that we think is educational, informative to you, the prospective patient, so that you can find it all in one spot. And essentially, you can get all of this information presented in an easy to understand manner in one location. And finally, we do continue to update this very frequently, so please come back and visit the site. You will find more case studies, more information, more resources available at each step as we continue to develop it.